Dear learner, welcome to my advanced database course. I am an experienced and detail-oriented database professional with a proven track record in designing, implementing, and managing robust data architectures across diverse industries. With over 15 years of experience, I specialize in relational and cloud-native database solutions, ensuring data integrity, security, scalability, and performance for mission-critical systems. My technical expertise encompasses a wide range of platforms, including Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and modern cloud ecosystems such as AWS RDS, Azure SQL Database, and Google Cloud Spanner. I have led end-to-end initiatives in database design, data modeling, performance tuning, replication, backup strategies, and disaster recovery planning. I possess strong analytical and problem-solving skills, enabling me to translate complex business requirements into scalable data structures and analytics. Thanks for watching. Dear learner,